A mile-high cake is a true showstopper. It stands tall and proud on any table. Each slice reveals beautiful layers of cake and filling. It looks very impressive. You might think it is only for professional bakers, but you can make one. It is a wonderful project for any special day, or simply because you feel like a treat. This cake is all about height and neatness. It is a lovely challenge. I will guide you through every step, slowly and carefully. There is no need to rush. From the first mix to the final decoration, my instructions are simple and clear, short, easy steps. You will feel like a pro by the end. So put on your apron. Let us create something truly special. First, gather your tools. Good tools make the job easier. You will need 3 or 4 round cake pans, all the same size. 8-inch or 20-centimeter. Pans are perfect. A large bowl and a mixer help. A strong wooden spoon works too, and a flexible spatula for thorough scraping. A wire rack is essential. Cakes must cool completely. Use a long serrated knife or a leveler to make flat, even layers. Cake boards and dowels, or thick straws, are the secret weapons for a tall, stable cake. A turntable, piping bag, and spatulas keep things tidy and precise. Set everything out before you begin. For a classic vanilla sponge, butter, caster sugar, self-raising flour, eggs, vanilla, and a little milk. For filling and frosting, simple vanilla buttercream, smooth, spreadable, and divine. Raspberry jam is a lovely option too. Preheat to 160 Celsius fan or 180 Celsius conventional. Too hot causes domed cakes. Grease thoroughly and line the bases. This guarantees an easy release. Cream butter and sugar until light, pale, and fluffy. About 5 minutes for vital aeration. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well. If it curdles, add a spoon of flour. Fold in sifted flour, add vanilla and milk, and mix only until just combined. Do not overmix. Divide batter evenly, use a scale or equal scoops, and smooth the tops. Bake on the center rack for about 25 to 30 minutes, keeping an eye on them. They are done when a skewer is clean, the surface is golden, and the cake springs back. Cool 10 minutes in pans, then turn out and cool fully. Never stack warm cakes. Once cool, trim each layer flat. Aim for an even surface. Perfection is not required. The trimmings are a treat. Place the first layer on a sturdy board with a buttercream dab. Insert 4 dowels, mark the height, cut and reinsert so they sit flush. Spread buttercream, add a thin layer of jam if you like, place the next layer and press lightly. For very tall cakes, build 2 3-layer stacks with a hidden board in between and extra dowels for support. Check straightness from all sides and adjust early. Do not worry about buttercream squeezed out. We will tidy it next. Once stacked, your cake will look wonderfully tall. The hardest part is over. You have built a solid structure. Apply a thin crumb coat to trap crumbs. It is not about looks, just complete coverage. Scrape off excess and chill for about 30 minutes. This firms the buttercream and locks in crumbs. Apply a generous final coat, top first, then sides, aiming for even thickness. A turntable makes this easy. Spin the cake slowly and hold the spatula steady to create a smooth surface. For an ultra-smooth finish, warm the spatula in hot water, wipe dry, and glide. It softens bumps and lines. The result is a professional, neat, and absolutely delicious-looking cake. A blank canvas for decoration. A cascade of fresh berries is elegant and simple. Their bright colors sing against pale buttercream. Or make a classic drip. Melt chocolate with cream, cool slightly, then pour and coax to the edges for natural drips. For a grand wow, stand macarons, chocolate fingers, or dark chocolate shards around the top edge to form a crown. Key tips: cool layers completely. Support any cake taller than 3 layers, and always crumb coat before the final frosting. You have made a magnificent mile-high cake. Use a long, sharp knife and wipe between cuts for perfect slices. Be proud and happy baking.